Cardamom watermelon milk smoothie, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the cardamom recipes and one of the most unique of the milk recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the watermelon recipes and one of the most delicious of the watermelon smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the cardamom smoothie recipes, one of the most unique of the watermelon milkshake recipes. Today we're going to make cardamom watermelon milk smoothie. We have taken 200 grams of watermelon, 50 grams of sugar and 6 cardamom pods. Now put in the cardamom pieces and the watermelon. And the sugar. Close and grind well. Now open. Pour in the milk. Close and blend well. Open. Now the cardamom watermelon milk smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Now pour the smoothie into the glasses. This is the final cardamom watermelon milk smoothie, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the watermelon smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the milk recipes and one of the most delicious of the cardamom recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the milk smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the cardamom smoothie recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.